subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched two new 5G phones in India called Realme 9 and Realme 9 SE or Realme 9 Speed Edition. Among these two, the Realme 9 SE is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Realme 9 SE features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 144Hz adaptive refresh rate and up to 600 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset paired with Adreno 642L GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme 9 SE supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 2MP macro and 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. The AAA cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.1 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 30W dart charging, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.8 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme 9 SE has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 22,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 14th in Azure Glow and Starry Glow color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme 9 5G Speed Edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.